Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
This guide shows how to delete a Google Sheets column quickly and safely. Start by opening the spreadsheet and locating the column header letter, for example, O or D. Confirm which column contains the data you want removed and check adjacent columns for dependent formulas. Always make a copy or backup before deleting to prevent accidental data loss. If the sheet is shared, notify collaborators before removing data to avoid workflow disruption. Use version history if you need to recover content after deletion. To delete a single column, right-click the column header letter and choose Delete Column from the menu. To delete adjacent columns, click the first header, then Shift+click the last header to select the range. For non-adjacent columns, hold Control while clicking each header to add selections. After selecting columns, right-click any selected header and choose Delete Columns XY to remove them. Deletion removes cell contents and shifts remaining columns left. Check formulas after deletion to update references. If you delete a column by mistake, use Edit Undo or Ctrl+Z immediately to restore it. You can also open File Version History to restore a prior version of the sheet if needed. Before deleting, make a copy using File Make a Copy to preserve original data and formats. After deletion, review formulas and named ranges to correct any #ref, errors, or broken links. Consider protecting important ranges and notifying collaborators before changes to maintain data integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.